Good morning, class. I hope you are ready for your maths class. So today we are going to work out few problems. I hope you all did the previous class homeworks. Okay. So we've been dealing with term 3, chapter 1, fractions. This is the last section in this chapter. Okay. So last few classes you have learnt about what is like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fractions and improper fractions, and also you have learned about the addition and subtraction and multiplication of the fractions. I think you are clear and thorough with addition, subtraction and multiplication. So we learned about adding 2 or 3 fractions and subtracting 2 or more than 2 fractions. We know how to subtract it, and we know how to multiply the fractions. Okay. So what is left? So we finished multiplication, subtraction and addition. So what is left? Yes, you all are right. So only we are left with division. So in this class we are going to learn about the division of fractions. So now we are going to see a word problem related to the division of fractions. So I think all of you will be having your textbook with you. Turn to the page number 15. So you can see 1.7 division of fractions over there. So at the bottom, so division of fractions. I'll read out the question for you. A camp was organized in a school in which 12 students participated. The camp leader wanted to divide into a group of 2 students. How many groups were there? So this is a question. So we have to find out what is given and what to find out in this word problem. So given 12 students participated in a camp. How many students participated in a camp? So there are 12 students who participated in a camp. Okay. So now the camp leader want to divide the 12 students into a group. So and also there is a condition that camp leader puts 2 students in one group. So there are 12 students and camp leader puts 2 students in one group. Then we are supposed to find out how many groups does the camp leader can divide. So each group should consist of 2. So then here in this situation we will use division. So solution: given 12 students participated in school camp. Also given camp leader wanted to divide them in group. Each group consists of 2 students. So what to find out how many groups will be there? So we have to find out how many groups we can have. Okay. So total number of groups is equal to, first how many students are there? 12 students. So 12. So how many in each group, how many students should be there? 2 students. So 12 divided by 2. Next step, to write the 12 as it is 12. When division converts to multiplication, so division will convert to a multiplication. Okay. When division converted to multiplication, the number or the factor after the division will be reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator will go to the denominator and denominator will go to the numerator. Here 2 is in numerator, so 2 will go to the denominator. So after division, the number or the fraction will be reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator will go to the denominator, denominator will go to the numerator. So here 2 is in numerator. So 2 anything by 1 is same thing. So 2 here it is considered as 2 by 1, and 1 will go to the numerator and 2 will go to the denominator. So 12 into 1 by 2. So there is a possibility of cancelling out. So 2 ones and 12. In 2 table, how many times 12? 6 times. So 6 into 1, 6. So total number of groups is 6. So the camp leader can divide the students into 6 groups.
So next one I will explain for you. If a camp leader distributes 6 liters of water in half-liter water bottles to students, then how many students will get water bottles? So the camp leader distributes 6 liters of water. So we will take this circle as 6 liters. So 1 liter. as 1 liter, 1 liter, 1 liter, 1 liter, 1 liter and 1 liter. We have totally 6 liters of water bottles. So he wanted to give half liter water bottles to the students. So that how many students will get water bottle? So this 1 liter is divided into half. So half. So we have 6 liters of water bottle and divided by 1 by 2 because we are distributing half liter to the each student. Okay. So 6 divided by half. Okay. So 6 divided means we can division. Divided symbol will turn into multiplication. While turning division symbol into multiplication, we have the reciprocal list. Reciprocal means numerator will come to the denominator and denominator will go to the numerator. So here numerator will come to the denominator and denominator will go to the numerator. So 6 into 2, 12. So 1. So anything by 1 is 2. Same. Okay. So 12. So 12 students will get the half liter water bottles. So I will explain you once again. So 6 divided by 1 by 2 and 6. Write the same thing here, and this division will turn into the multiplication. While turning division into the multiplication, the next term after the division, next term will be numerator will come to the denominator and denominator will go to the numerator. That is reciprocal. So 6 into 2, 12 and by 1, which is 12. So next one, sixth subdivision. First one, sixth one, divide the following. So first one, so this is 6 and first one, 3 by 7. 3 by 7 divided by 4. 3 by 7 divided by 4. Okay. So how we will do it? So there is no mixed fraction, so we can do it directly. So 3 by 7 divided by 4 by 1. Divided by 4 by 1. So before division, the fraction will be same. After division only, we should convert reciprocally. Okay. So 3 by 7 and division will turn into multiplication. While turning division into multiplication, this numerator will go to denominator, denominator will go to the numerator. So 1 by 4. So 1 by 4. See, there is no cancellation. We can't cancel 4 with 3 and 7 with 1. So 3 1s are 3 and 7 4s are 28. So we have got this. Okay. 3 by 7 into 1 by 4. 3 into 1 and 7 into 4, 28. So we'll do fourth problem. So I'll do third sum for you. So third sum, 4 1 by 5 divided by 3 3 by 4. So it is in a mixed fraction. We have to convert this mixed fraction into a proper fraction. So how will we do? 5 into 4, 5 4s are 20 plus 1 divided by 5. 20 plus 1 divided by 5 divided by, and 4 3s are 12 plus 3 by 4. Okay. So 20 plus 1 is 21. 21 by 5 divided by, so 2 plus 12 plus 3 is 15. So 15 by 4. Okay. 15 by 4. So there is then 21 by 5. So before division fraction, the fraction will be same. While convert division into multiplication, after the division only it will change. Okay. So 4 will go to numerator and 15 will go to denominator. Which last one? So 21 by 5 into 4 by 15. So there is a cancellation. So in In 3 table it will go, okay, 3 5s are 50 and 3 7s are 21. So we are left out with 7 by 5 into 4 by 5. So there is no way to cancel it out. 7 fours are 28 and 5 fives are 25. So 28 by 25. So in first they have given in a mixed fraction. So we can convert this also into mixed fraction. How will we convert? In previous classes we have seen it, okay. So 25 into 28. So how many times? 25 ones are 25. So remaining terms. So 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. So how will you write the mixed fraction for it? So how will you write the mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is coefficient, remainder and the divider. So what is the coefficient there? Coefficient is 1, remainder is 3 and divisor is 25. So the coefficient is 1, remainder is 3 and divider is 25. So 1, 3 by 25. This is the answer for the 10th sum. So 10th sum is we bought a curtain of 15 by 4 meter. If we cut the curtain into small pieces, each of them 1 by 4 meter, how many small curtains will we get? So the problem is Ravi bought how much length curtains? Length of curtain bought by Ravi is 53 by 4. 53 by 4. What is the unit used here? Meter. Okay. So he has to cut. He has to do this curtain into small pieces. So he used the length to each curtain length is 2 1 by 4 meters. So 2 1 by 4 meters. So how many small from this length? How many? If you cut this length, how many small curtains we will be getting? We should find out this. Okay. So for this divided we will be using, because there is a big thing, we are cutting that into a small thing. So small thing we will be using division. So 15 3 by 4 divided by 2 1 by 4. Okay. 15 3 by 4 divided by 2 1 by 4. So 15 4s are 60. 60 plus 3 63. 63 by 4 divided by 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 4. Okay. So here 63 by 4. Division will be like multiplication, and while we converting division into multiplication, the next term will be reciprocal. So 4 from numerator will go to the denominator, and denominator 4 will go to the numerator. So there is any way of cancelling it out. So 4 we can cancel. So 9 ones are 9 sevens are. Okay. 9 is only 7. So 7 meters. So number of small curtains. The Ravi can 7 small curtains with the length of 2 by 4. This is the answer. 7 is the answer. So today's class we have learned division, multiplication.